Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna talk about Monstera Deliciosa again. Yeah, I know that I have already talked about Monstera Drama last week. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out up here. Okay, but in this video, I just want to bring that the story back a little bit. And I saw some brown spot on the leaf a few days ago, right? So that I reported them to the bigger pot so that the root can breathe a little bit. And I also did change the location where they can have better sunlight. Okay, and I also adjust my watering schedule and all this kind of stuff. I did it last week and I have shown you everything. And you know what happened this week? Even worse. I don't know. I don't know what is really going on right now. It's really depressing. I don't really want to talk about this, but I think I have to share this information with you guys so that maybe you learn something from me. Yeah. And also I want to give you one more information that if you are new to the plant, don't get this Monstera Deliciosa. It's very tricky plant. I have seen that many people talk about, Monstera Deliciosa is very easy to taking care of. You don't really need to give them attention and positive about this plant. But to me, it doesn't work. Especially if you live in the cold country, you will have the same problem as me, I guess. If you live in warmer country in Asia or like a warm place, then yes, they might not have any problem. But if you live in cold country and if you plant them indoor, especially in the winter, we use the radiator to warm up our houses. The radiation, they're taking all the humidity away from our houses, so that your plants started to struggle to be healthy. Yeah, I don't really know what is happening right now, but anyway, I want to show you that what kind of disaster it is so that you will see. Do you see right here there is a rot branch? In this pot I have 1, 2, 3, 4 branches, okay, and this 2 of them started to rot. So I want to show you closer. You clearly see that here, the rot root, and also another branch. See, they don't even, oh my gosh, this is disaster. Okay, and also another here, one more. Come closer, and do you see here? One more. So I want to save them so that maybe I'm gonna cut from here and see if they gonna grow the root or not. Okay, I will just do this. Okay, but this plant, this branch and this branch down here, they are still doing great. I will just take the whole plant out from the pot and see. Let me check the root system down there. Okay, so I want to show you everything. So I'm gonna just cut here, as I say. I will just cut from this under this node. Okay, look here. Do you see? Oh my god, do you see? Sorry. And look, in this branch the new leaf is coming too, but this new leaf is also damaged here. Do you see here? So I think I am just gonna cut this new, just like this, finish. Okay, and just leave it like this. This one, see, oh my god, they can't even stay anymore. Okay, so this one I'm gonna cut from down here. Oh no, I don't think I can save it. I don't think I can save it here. Do you see? They are rot. It's like a water. Okay, maybe what? No. Let me just keep this just like this in the water. Okay, so I already cut here, and I am going to pull this two plant off from the whole pot, okay, and see the root bound inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna just like this, gentle. I don't want to, oh shit, break that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but they won't be, I'm sure they are not difficult to, yeah, the root are rot. Why? Oh my gosh. Maybe because, look here, the water didn't drain. Actually, I supposed to, remove all the old soil from the, old pot, then repot it to the new pot, right? But the mistake I done is I didn't remove any soil. I just take the whole plant out and put it straight into the new. That was my mistake. And also another mistake could be I use very wet soil. But you see, some of the root are still doing great. This root doesn't damage at all, so I can save it. I am going to grow this two straight into the soil. Okay, two branches that a while ago I cut is in the water. I will make them water propagation and let them grow. The root, everything start from beginning. Okay, and but these two, the root they is still doing great down here. Okay, so I am just going to grow these two straight into the soil. Some of the leaf are very bad, so I am just going to cut them. Okay, this one is okay, doing great. Okay, so this time, just to be sure, I am going to use some leca. Okay, so the water can drain easily, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to mix with the leca and soil. Now okay, don't press it anymore. This time, no more pressing. Okay, just gentle, just like this. Just balance just a little bit. Nice and easy, gentle. Okay, cool. Then now I'm gonna grow it. Like this. And one more plant. Great, that's it. Now I'm gonna throw all of this soil. So now you see exactly that which mistake is leading to, to disaster for your plants. So the first mistake is when you repot it, remove all the not all, but a part of soil. You have to remove that. You have to get rid of all the old soil and repot it to the new pot, okay? And cover with the new soil. and the soil that you use for the new plant should not be very wet. Okay, they should be only moist, and don't press a lot. Okay, let some air go through. I don't know how to explain. I hope you understand that. And yes, now I am a kind of saving it. I cut two plant from the rotten branches. Hopefully they will grow the root soon in, yeah, 2 weeks. Normally it takes 2 weeks. And luckily I managed to save this plant, two branches out of one big pot. Okay, so hey, no one perfect, right? So that this is the life we live and learn. You learn from your experience, and you getting better and better, and you will become a professional. Yes, so hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you learned something from my mistake, and never ever do silly mistake as me. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.